Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Pretech Empowering Excellence. I am making the videos of IT technology and error solutions. So today's topic about Excel problem. Many people's having the issue in Excel 2016 after Windows 11 24H to update. So I am providing to this problem solution. Before watching this video, please click on like and subscribe button to more helpful videos of IT technology. If you have not subscribed, please do it first. Follow the instruction which I have mentioned in video. So first open the normal Excel from Run menu by typing Excel command. Now go to the File menu and click on Options. You have appear this type of Excel options window. Now click on the add-ins and go to the Excel add-ins window. In the Excel add-ins, click on the Go button, then appear this type of window. Now simply tick on the Analysis Toolpath VB option and click the OK button. That's all. Now your Excel issue is resolved and working well in Windows 11 24H2 version. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to channel Pretech Empowering Excellence. Thank you.